Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add your WhatsApp button to your Facebook page. So it's pretty simple, follow the step. First thing, you want to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're inside the Facebook menu, you want to click on where it says pages at the top. Click on pages and all the pages which you own is going to be displayed over here. So I want to add a WhatsApp button on my Food Restro Facebook page. So I will click on Food Restro and it's going to take me over here. At the bottom I can see the blue switch button. I want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to switch you into your Facebook page account. Once you're over here, you want to click on menu at the bottom right corner. Once you click on menu, you want to click on your Food Restro's name, which is going to be at the top. Once you click on your page name at the top, it's going to take you to your page profile. Once you're in your page profile, at the top right corner, you can see the three dots. You want to click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, it's going to bring you to your page setting. Once you're inside the page setting, the second option where it says add action button, you want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. And you can see the option called edit buttons. Click on edit button. Once you click on edit buttons, the second option where it says send WhatsApp message, you want to tick mark this. Once you tick mark this, first it's going to ask you to connect your WhatsApp account with Facebook. So just click on connect WhatsApp account and then enter your WhatsApp number. Whatever WhatsApp number you have, just enter it over here and just make sure to select your country. Once you select your country and enter your phone number, what is going to happen is click on done, click on send code. A verification code will be sent to your WhatsApp and then you need to enter the verification code on Facebook. Once you do that, your WhatsApp number will be confirmed. Once it's confirmed, your WhatsApp will be connected. Once your WhatsApp is connected, it's basically going to be added on your home screen. So that's how you guys can add WhatsApp button to your Facebook page. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys next time.